today we're off to Magic Kingdom. Not in a normal day, it is the Eclipse day. Which means, I think, around about 3 o'clock today, it should go pretty dark. It's the first eclipse in America for years and years and years. I don't know the details, but we're better placed to come and see the eclipse. The cloud cover's not going to help but see the moon and the sun passing, but it should still go dark. Would you say that's fair, everybody?
Yeah.
Lauren?
Yeah.
Unbelievably, these people are still stuck in a lift. They've been there weeks, I imagine now. Still shaking away. Look at them. I feel sorry for them. Someone go and help them. It's decision time again. Do we do monorail or do we do ferry boats? Ferry boat, monorail. Monorail, ferry boat. Ferry boat, monorail. Ferry boat, monorail. Monorail, ferry boat. We go this way, I go this way. We tossed the coin and we decided ferry boat to the magical kingdom. And we've got fast passes at Space Mountain in about 20 minutes. Then we've got Dumbo for Matthew, and we've got Little Mermaid for Lauren. And then we've got lots more planned during the day as well. As you can see, right over there in the distance is the beautiful Cinderella's castle. But first we've got a ferry boat across the Seven Seas Lagoon. This is what I'll tell you about the eclipse today. That's what we've got planned. Not to forget to put the sunscreen on. It's warm out there.
Upper deck, and you don't have a wheelchair, stroller, or an ETV, you'll find a set of stairs directly in front of you. Come join us up here where we have a little more elbow room, a few more seats, a little cooler ride. Welcome aboard.
And you can start to see Halloween decorations appearing, and it's only August. You can see all the different ones scattered around. Voyage of the Little Mermaid. There's Matthew and Mummy. And there's Lauren, who's very excited. We're going down below sea level. Sips and what sips galore. I've got plenty. I want more.
Fishing the boy is lucky. They for a worse of things. One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you got me on the bridge. Oh no, under the sea. Under the sea we are hooked. We got no troubles. Life is no more as hard. They get here and it's not afraid. We got to stay. You got to hear it under the sea. And the spot they know where it's at. And all that love is gone.
You think that one wants to get the girl, and do I help you?
Yes, indeed.
Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come fucking.
Kiss the girl. And they live happily ever after. Oh. I love a good happy ending. So we're getting ready for Dumbo. The eclipse has started. It is very cloudy today, but we can still see it go dark. So we keep getting warned not to look at the sun directly because it'll damage your eyesight. Oh, very Disney. Make sure everybody's safe. It's one of our favourite rides, isn't it, Lauren?
Yeah.
We love Dumbo. Now, can you see Matthew? He's back there somewhere. I will zoom in. Where is it? Where is it? There he is. We found him. Hello, Matthew. Hello, Matthew. Yeah, let's zoom out. There we are. We're back again. And we're going up. Woohoo! Higher, lower, higher, lower. You get some great views from up here. Great views. And you get some better views. I've got a great view there. The back of Dumbo's bottom. And there you can see Cinderella's castle over there. Somewhere. There you go. The eclipse is starting to happen. So you're up there on eclipse day it is getting darker. These clouds aren't helping. It's very dark there. The sun's up there somewhere, which I'm not allowed to look at, so I'll look away. And it's due to be darker in about 40 minutes time. So we'll try and get a picture from Main Street. But now we're heading over to Peter Pan. It's a small world made full of magic. Because they brought the trade post at 2 o'clock because of the eclipse, so hopefully the ride's going to be quiet now. So you've got to look for Cinderella's horse, which has got a gold tail on the back of it, and I think it's put up any second now. Keep looking, keep looking. There it is. You okay, Matthew? Matthew? See, a trip to Florida is not the same without a trip on the old carousel horses. Big dark clouds still, and we're about 20 minutes away from where we should get almost darkness for the eclipse. So time for this, another ride, and then we'll go on to Main Street, take some pictures, and hopefully darkness in the middle of the day. This must be a good spot for the eclipse. I'll get the camera set up. All the people around here. Look at something. Lots of people setting up for the best place for a picture.
Cuando se veía me veía yo.
So that's our morning at Magic Kingdom done. Got a few rides, some of the Eclipse, and now back to the Villa Pool for a couple of hours before we go to Animal Kingdom tonight. Matthew's got his balloon, and now it's popped. Oh no, it's not. As I said, it wouldn't get to the monorail. As it happens, it's not got out to park. Every time we get Matthew a balloon, he pops it. Don't know why we keep getting them, but we keep getting them and he keeps popping them. But we had a really good morning around Magic Kingdom. It was really good. Saw the Eclipse, saw Family Robinson from Chorley, who was visiting Orlando on their holidays. But the main purpose of going to Magic Kingdom today was to see the Eclipse around Cinderella's castle, which we achieved even though it was cloudy. So we had Magic Kingdom. We then headed back to Animal Kingdom at night for a couple of new shows, which we'll see in our next video. Hope you've enjoyed that, and we will see you soon. And please don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.